Hey guys, CRAIGO here from Coldwell Banker. I'm in front of one of my listings in Darien, Connecticut. And before we get to the front of the property, I want to share with you some of the great things that Darien has to offer. We have a nationally recognized library. We are about half a mile from Tokeneke School. And we have 2 beaches in Darien. We are 5 minutes to downtown, as well as 10 minutes to Westport and 10 minutes to Greenwich. You are right in between. It is truly a commuter's dream. Follow me so I can take you for an inside tour. I'm in front of our listing here at 91 Raymond Street in Darien, Connecticut. It's a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath Modern Colonial. I'd like to take you guys inside for that features and benefits tour and show you around the property. Come on, follow me. Welcome inside 91 Raymond Street. I'm in the kitchen right now and I want to show you this really cool feature that the current owners did. Their love for boating has inspired this crow's nest table which overlooks the great room and the game room. If 91 Raymond is the perfect pick for you, for your place to call home, it's important that when you invite family and friends over, they feel welcomed. And nothing says that more clear than what the current owners have done. They put a pool table, they put a dartboard behind me, and they've made this area their personal game room, right off of the great room, which I'd like to share with you next. Right now I'm in the great room, standing in front of the beautiful pentagon window that brings in a lot of natural sunlight. The beautiful cathedral ceilings are 22 feet high with wood beams right across and a beautiful stone fireplace. As technology continues to advance and get better year after year, what I'm noticing is that more homes are integrating smart home technology. At 91 Raymond Street, we have that here with the Nest thermostat, which connects directly to your smartphone. So right now I'm in the Sunroom. Got your private bar. Maybe you don't like alcohol, maybe you do. Whichever your preference, family, friends, and special guests can come and sit down and have a great conversation. And to the side, you have this beautiful inset jacuzzi. All happening here at 91 Raymond Street. Any questions about this property? Send something in the mail. Always here to help. Upstairs from the sunroom is an office area that overlooks the game room and the great room. The fireplace in the formal living room has Mexican tile. It's absolutely beautiful and what a great accent touch, along with the beautiful bay window that brings in a tremendous amount of natural sunlight. Two beaches, a nationally recognized library, a top-rated school system voted one of the safest towns in Connecticut. 91 Raymond Street is surrounded by all of that. If you'd like to set up a time for a tour, reach out to me directly. I'd love to chat with you.